Hi friends, welcome to another Figma tutorial video. Today we are going to see how to create an arrow without using plugins. Plugins means material design, Iconify, whatever. We are just creating an arrow using rectangle or an square. So let's see. Here I have created an arrow for an example. I have created also ellipse. Don't bother about ellipse. I just created ellipse to highlight arrow. If you want to create arrow in plain surface, you can do it. But the thing is, if I am teaching, you will not understand the process easily because we need to select certain lines and rectangles. It is easy process. Let's begin. Okay, so let's select rectangle, or either you can press R and you can draw here a square. To draw a square, press or hold shift. So we have created rectangle, square. For drawing a square, you have to press shift button, so you will get a square. So I have created a square here, and here you can see a button or an option with circles in corner of a square. Just click on it. It is an option to edit an object. So we are going to edit this square. So click on it. Now we have to edit. What we have to do is next we have to press pen tool. We have to select the pen tool. You can press P. I have pressed pen tool. I have selected this pen tool. Then just click on one corner of the square and drag to the next, and the opposite end of the square. Here you can see a zero or a circle that is in end of the pen, which means it is an end, or we are connected to next point. So just click. So we have got a line here in between two diagonals or in center of a square. Okay, diagonally. Okay, then press done. Again press on edit an object, and select your portion. If you move the mouse over this square, you can see a blue lines here. So just click on above of the square and press delete button. So we have deleted the portion. So we have got a lot of lines here. So we have next task is to delete each line. So select each line you want. Okay, I am just deleting this line and this line too. See, we have created an arrow, and I am just giving stroke to, or maybe 6 will be good, and change the color. See, you can increase the size of stroke as much you want. Okay, I'm just increasing stroke. See, you can witness the arrow we have created here, and you can see sharp edges here and here and here also. So you can either change into a round shape. For that, go to advanced stroke settings. Here in stroke box, dialog box, you can see 3 dots. It is for advanced stroke settings. Click on it. So we will get a dialog box which includes option for changing the edges to round. So I am just changing to click on this round, and here in none change to round. See, now the round shape I have created. Okay, I'm just pressing outside. See, this is how an arrow is created using square. I think you all have understood. If you have any doubts, please do comment, and if you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to share to your friends who like to learn Figma. Thank you friends, thank you so much.